Sairam. Today we are going to study environmental studies. So children, in environmental studies we are going to revise our chapter number 1 about me first, and then we will perform all the activities related to your books and all the written work which you have to do in your notebook also. So let's begin with our chapter number 1 about me. Okay, chapter number 1 about me. Let's revise the chapter first. First we revise the chapter and then we will do the written work. Okay, so let's begin with our revision. Here is introduction. See how you introduce yourself. We had already read about it. Today we just revise about it. My name is Rohan. I am 7 years old. This is the introduction of a boy whose name is Rohan. Okay, so my name is Rohan. I am 7 years old. Rohan is 7 years old. I live in Haridwar. Where do he live? He lives in Haridwar. I live in Haridwar. I love to play football. Rohan loves to play football. Okay, my favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. So what is the favorite color of Rohan? Rohan's favorite color is blue. Next is my hair color is brown. What is the hair color of Rohan? The hair color of Rohan is brown. So the hair color of Rohan is brown. This is the introduction of Rohan, that means of a boy. Similarly, there is a girl whose name is Jia. Here is the introduction of a girl whose name is Jia. See here, my name is Jia. My name is Jia. I am 7 years old. Jia is 7 years old. My birthday comes on 10th of August. Jia's birthday comes on 10th of August. I love singing and dancing. Jia loves singing and dancing. What are the hobbies of Jia? Singing and dancing. My hair color is black. What is the hair color of Jia? The hair color of Jia is black. My favorite color is pink. Jia is saying that my favorite color is pink. What is the favorite color of Jia? The favorite color of Jia is pink. Next is I like to eat ice cream. What does Dia loves to eat? Dia likes to eat ice cream. So this is the introduction of a girl whose name is Jia. In this similar way, you have to introduce yourselves in front of others. Okay, this is a quick revision. This is just a quick revision. Now, today what we are going to do? Today we are going to do the written work. We are going to do the written work. So first we begin with our book. First we will do the work in book. We begin the work which we have to do in our book. I hope everyone has purchased the books now. So you just all open your books and do this work with me. Okay, do this work with me. Open your books now. If anyone does not have book, so kindly purchase it as soon as possible. And I'm just hoping that most of the students have books now. So let's do this work in your books. Okay, so when you open your EST books, that means environmental studies book, so on the first page you will found this. This is your first chapter about me. This is the first chapter about me. In this way you will found the first page of your book. Okay, so in the first page, see what is written here. Complete these sentences about yourself. You have to complete these sentences about yourself. You have to complete this about yourself. For example, in the first, see here, my name is Dash. My name is Dash. In this, fill up in this dash, you have to write the information. That means you have to write your name. So my name is Dash. For example, if my name is Sonia Chawla, then I will write my name is Sonia Chawla. Or if I'm supposing I'm a girl whose name is Shreya, so what would I write? My name is Shreya. Okay. Similarly, you will write your name in this blank. You will write your name in this blank. You will write your full name. Okay. For example, if your name is Ramesh, your name is Mohak, your name is Vidit, you can write this in the first column. What will you write? You will write your name. You have to write your name in the first blank. Similarly, in the second one, I am a dash. Here in the bracket, see, here is a bracket. You have to choose. If you are a girl, write girl here. If you are a boy, write boy here. If you are a girl, then write girl in the blank. I am a girl. And if you are a boy, write boy in the blank. That means I am a boy. Similarly, in the next, I am in class dash. So you all have to write here. You all are studying in the class second. And also mention your section here. As I told you to your parents that if a boy or a girl in a section A, then it also go in the class second in a section A. If it is in the first class section A, then he or she will be in the section A in second class also. Similarly with the section B, if a girl or a boy in the first class was in section B, then in the second class he or she will be in the section B. So your section is not changed. Your section has been not changed. So in the third one, I am in class second, and if you are in a section A, write section A here, and if you are in a section B, write section B here. Okay, now it is clear. Now the fourth sentence, I live in dash. So you have to write the name of the town or the city. You have to write the name or the town of the town or city. So you have to write, everybody have to write, I live in Haridwar. Write with me, Haridwar. Right here, I live in Haridwar. I live in Haridwar. Similarly, the next one, fifth sentence is, the sentence fifth is, I am dash years old. I am dash years old. So write your age here. If you are 7, write I am 7 years old. I am 7 years old. Okay, if you are 8, if you are 6, you all have the different ages. So write your age here. If you are, I'm just giving an example. If you are 7 years old, then write I am 7 years old. Okay, the next is 6 sentences. My hair is dash. Here is defined 2 colors, the black and the brown. If your hairs are black, then write black in the column. And if your hairs are brown, then write brown in the column. So my hair is black or my hair is brown. Okay. In the next, the color I like the most is. The color I like the most is, if I like the color red, then I will write red. If you like the color pink, you will write pink. If I like the color blue, I'll write blue. So which is your favorite color? Write here in the column. The color I like the most is red. Okay, this is the example. And the 8th sentence is, the game I like the most is, so whatever the game you like the most, for example, if you like basketball, then write basketball here. So whatever you like, write in this fill up. Okay, so in this way you have to fill the first page of your book. This is the first page of your book, and in this way you have to fill this first page. Now turn your page on the second page. On the second page, turn your page. On the second page there is a column, or there is written something, so I'm going to read it. You have to listen it properly. Growing up. How have you changed from the time you were a baby? You must be bigger and taller now. Each year, children grow a little. As you grow, you became stronger and taller. The shape of your face also changes. A newborn baby has no teeth. Most children have 28 teeth by the time they are 2 years old. So in this, what we have read about that we always change. Okay, we always change. As we grown up, we change. When we are a baby, when we are a small baby, we don't have teeth, but when we grow, we have teeth. Okay, we have teeth for chewing the food. Similarly, our face changes, the shape of our face changes, and we became taller, bigger. So this is all about this paragraph. Now below this paragraph there is a column where it is written, paste a photograph of yourself as a baby and one taken recently. That means where it is written, see here, me as a baby. So in this column you have to paste a picture when you are a small baby. That means a picture in which you are very young. So write here, paste here in this column your picture as a baby, and in this column paste your recent picture, which how you are now. So paste the picture of yourself which is how you look like now, paste in this second column. Okay, now below this there is also a paragraph. You will be able to do many more things on your own. As you grow up, you will now be able to brush your teeth, eat your food, wear your clothes, and go to bed on your own. That means as you grow, that means as you getting bigger day by day, now you brush your teeth by your own, and you eat your food by your own, you wear your clothes by your own, and you go to your bed for sleep at your own. That means as we are getting bigger, as we are growing, that means as we are growing, we perform our work by our own. Okay, our mother and father will not do anything for us. Okay, you have to do everything by yourself. Try to do the things by yourself, like brush your teeth, pack your bag. Okay, these kind of things you have to do by yourself. Next, some things may not change even as we grow. The color of our hair and eyes often remain the same. Our birthmarks also stay. Do you have a birthmark on your body? That means some things when we grow, some things can't change. Like the color of our hair, okay, it does not change as we grow. If the color of our hair is black, then it remains black for our whole life. Similarly, if we have any birthmark, so it could not be changed. So it could not be changed by the time. Okay. See, same and different. Look around your class at your classmates. Each of you is different in some ways. Some of you have long hair while others have short hair. Some have brown eyes while some have black. Some have black hairs while some have brown. Some are tall while some are short. But all of us are also the same in many ways. All of us have two eyes, one nose, and a mouth. Can you think of other ways in which we are the same? See, here are the same and the different. Here they are telling us about the things which are same and which are different. For example, our hair color. Our hair color are different. For example, if mine hair color is black and your hair color is brown, so we are different hair colors, we have different hair colors. Similarly, my hairs are long and if your hairs are short, then there is a difference between our hairs, okay, the length of our hair. Similarly, my eyes are black, your eyes are brown, then it is a difference between us. And the similarities between us, what is the similarity between us? We both have two eyes, we both have one nose, we both have one mouth. So these are the things which are different, or these are the things which are same. Okay, so see here below this, there is one question. Look at your friend carefully. Write 3 things that are the same and 3 things that are different between your friend and you. So I know there is not your friend present, so because you are not in school, so you can do this with your parents as well as your siblings or your cousin or anyone. Okay, so here you have to write the same things in the first column, and in the second column you have to write the different things. So I am going to show you. First, same you have to write 2 eyes. 2 eyes are same as I told you before, and in different complexion. What is the complexion? Our skin tone, our skin color. Okay, the difference is complexion. In second one, same, one nose. We all have one nose, so it is the same among everyone. And in different is height, so we can write height in the second column of different. Similarly, in the third one, 2 ears. Everyone have 2 ears. And in the different, what is different between us? Weight. Our weight is always different from others. Okay, so what you have to write? You have to write these things in your own way. Okay, now see, below this there is a column. There is another question. Ask 10 of your classmates. There is written classmates, so what you have to do, you have to write family members, because you are not in the class, so you cannot ask 10 of your classmates, so you have to ask to your family members. So ask 10 of your cut the classmate there and write the family members there, and then read the question again. Ask 10 of your family members in which month their birthday falls. How many of them have their birthday in the same month as you do? Okay, you have to ask from 10 of your family members. Either do this on your call. If you have not 10 members at present in your family, then you can do the call to them and ask them when your birthday falls, and write how many of them have the same birthday in the same month. Okay, say in the same month have their birthdays, you have to write there. So in the first column you have to write the names. Okay, write the names of these family members and month of the birthday. Here write the month of the birthday, and similarly 1 2 3 4 5, then 6 7 8 9 10. Similarly do this. Okay, this is the homework for you all. You have to do this activity by your own. Okay, so this is all about your book work. This is all about your book work. You have to write these work in your book, and in the next session I'll tell you about the work which you have to do in the notebook for this. Okay, you have to do the work in your notebook in the next video. This is all about the work you have to do in your book. Okay, so do this work in your book correctly. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay well, and do this work in your book. Thank you so much.